We got the slow and low 500 rolling down the shop today, guys, going on my man Raymond, and this is one slick rig, so let's check her out. Now, like I said, this is our 500 gallon on the off-road package. On our off-road package, we got fully fabricated axles, front and rear. We got the brace underneath, upgraded wheels and tires. My guys mods down in Texas, got the big old mud tires on there. Can't go wrong with that, guys. Now on the tank smokers, fold down stack, that is standard equipment on every tank smoker we build. The counterweights are standard on a 500 as well. Make the doors very easy to open. Now inside of here, we'll have 2 sliding top racks here, 3 racks on the bottom. Bottom racks are removable. We got a 1.5 inch ball valve grease drain down there as well. Of course, we got the TMG Pits Tell True thermometer there, made in the USA. On the side of the firebox, we got the Slow and Low barbecue logo, cut out of stainless steel. We'll open this bad boy up. Fully insulated firebox, of course, guys. The door is insulated as well. 3/8 thick pipe in there. It's not going to burn out on you. Holds heat great. Just makes this pit run like a dream. So, guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.